Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to add members to the group you've created. First of all, you open up your Google Meet app or your Google Workspace, and then you see history of the groups you've created. So if you click on the group you've created, you can see want to add more members. We only have 5 members for now. So what I do is that at the top here, I have 2 options. I have the plus with the person icon over here, and I have the 3 dots. You click on the plus with the person icon, and then you see the list of people you can add. So let's say I want to add one more person. So I've added that. Let's say everyone has added another one. Now we've added 2 people. So if you want to remove them, you do the opposite, which is to, instead of marking them, you unmark them. And that's it. You click on done. And now, instead of having 5, and I have 6 people in the group, you can see here, it has changed from 5 to 6 in this red circle over here. And that is how to add members to the group you've created. Hope you've learned from this. If so, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Till next time, bye bye.